Meet the new Harley-Davidson, powered by Rockford Fosgate, Saddlebag cut-in audio kit. This all-inclusive kit is crafted from premium materials and is engineered for easy installation and was designed to deliver exceptional performance for 2024 and newer Road Glide and Street Glide models. These saddlebag kits provide ultra durability and reliability in demanding motorcycle environments and sets a new benchmark in audio upgrades. Let's jump in and take a closer look. The 250-watt saddlebag speakers were engineered for peak performance and feature a heat-resistant motor structure and radiator ring to efficiently dissipate heat. The 6x9s feature also long-throw woofers for high output and deep, extended low-end response, delivering powerful yet balanced sound. The large voice coil and extended frequency range enhance bass output, ensuring louder, more dynamic, and long-lasting performance. So let's get into the kit and installation. The patent-pending top-loading bucket and backer design counteracts factory rate reduction in the saddlebag lids. To ensure smooth, precise cutting over the bag lid surface, we developed a newly designed precision cut template with parallel ribbing. The robust, injection-molded, tube-style gasketed saddlebag speaker mount inserts from the outside of the lid, making it possible to accommodate larger 6x9 speakers for unmatched audio performance. As always, the saddlebag kit was designed to stand up to the outdoor environment and has passed rigorous testing for both vibration and water intrusion. So, if you're ready to upgrade your stock saddlebags, this kit is the ultimate solution.